Griffon Golf, day 2 of the Rockhurst Early Bird Tournament in Smithville. This the season opener and just a little windy out. Okay, a lot windy out.
Awful. Horrible.
I think the wind's taking my ball more than I'm hitting it.
It's a grip and rip kind of day. There's really no strategy for today. It's just whoever can grind it out, honestly.
I like the mustache look. What's that about?
It's the mustache march. I mean, me and Logan are sporting them, so last year I kind of grew one out in the fall and played pretty well, so me and Logan decided to do it again this spring.
Really no correlation between wind and mustaches, but mustaches apparently make for good golf shots. Tyler Gast is onto something. Sweet little chip here, sets up an easy par putt. He tied a day 2 tournament low with a 78 on Tuesday. Griffon men finished 6th as a team. Griffon women not letting the conditions slow their charge. They held the team lead after day 1. Day 2 was no different. Griff shot a 2-day total of 683, 8 strokes better than everybody else to take home the victory. Natalie Bird doing work in the early bird as well, finished 2nd individually. Her 2-day total of 165, just 4 strokes off the lead. Kristen Cooley finished right behind Bird in 3rd. The Griffons picking up right where they left off last fall. They finished top 3 or better in 5 of their last 7 tournaments.